Alright, Euclid Book 3, proposition number 24. Well, it's a little more complicated than the last proof, but not by much. First of all, we have two segments of two circles. This segment here starts at letter A, goes over here to letter E, comes over here to letter B, and the second segment starts over here at letter C, comes over here to letter F, and goes over here to letter D. And as you can see here, there's another line right here that we want you to ignore at this point. It starts at letter letter C, goes to G, and goes to D. We want you to ignore that line at this point, okay? We'll get into it a little bit later. Anyway, Euclid says that segment AEB and segment CFD over here are similar, okay? And he also says that the length of AB here is exactly the same as the length of CD here. And what he's trying to have you prove is that the segment AEB is equal to the segment CFD. Well, we already know that this is segment AEB here, this is segment CFD here. He's now saying that we're going to prove that this segment right here is equal to this segment right here. And this is how he proves it. First of all, we said that AEB is similar to CFD. And then he says if AEB is applied to CFD, we're going to put this segment here on top of this segment here. And if point A is placed on point C, and if AB is placed on top of CD here, then point B here will coincide with point D here, because AB is the same size as CD, which we already established. And then we can say that segment AEB and segment AEB here will coincide with segment CFD. Okay, so this segment here is going to coincide with this segment here. Now, hypothetically speaking, if AEB does not coincide with CFD, okay, but AB itself does coincide with CD. So we're going to say if AB coincides with CD, but AEB does not coincide with CFD, then one of these will fall within the other, or one of these will fall outside the other, or one of these will fall awry like segment CGD. I'm going to show you CGD, and it falls awry, okay? And at this point, it would have one circle cutting another circle, which is impossible, and we stated that in Euclid Book 3, proposition number 10. So, basically, what we're saying here is that if these two segments were to fall awry from each other, then they would cut a circle at more than 2 points, and that's, like I said, that's impossible by Euclid Book 3, proposition number 10. And so, therefore, segment AEB is equal to segment CFD. The end. I know that was a bit more complicated, but I think you can pretty much figure it out for yourself. If you have any comments or suggestions, put them down here in the comments. I will tell you more in a future video, so stay tuned.